Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn 2 to 3 lakh rupees per month with only digital business cards. So let's get started with the video. So the very first thing is you'll come to canva.com, and as you know that I use this tool a lot, so if you want to purchase the pro version you can check the link in the description box. So firstly we'll search for business cards in the search section and we'll see which one we like from those business card. Now there are already pre-made templates, so there are like portrait mode and landscape mode, as you can see. So pick the design that you like the most. So once you have picked your business card which you like, you can change the name of the business card to whatever your brand name is. Then after that you can change the text inside the digital business card. I am writing it Digital Arwa since I want to make it for my own brand. Change the website, change the social links, etc. Now once you have written your website, the main thing that you have to do is link it. You have to make the business card clickable. So for that, once I've written the digitalarwa.com website, just select the whole thing and now click on the three dots which are there. Sometimes those three dots won't appear, so directly you can click on digitalarwa.com and you can paste your http link there, where once you export the digital business card, that is you download it as PDF and then you open it, then you will be able to click that link. So it's very easy. You can do that with any kind of links. Even if you have social media links, you can do that with them. Once that is done, as you can see, I've opened the digital business card, and now when I click on digitalarwa.com, so once I click on that, it will load my website. As you can see, the Digital Arwa website has been loaded, which is amazing. So like this, you can even change the pictures in that, and you can even add your own things on the digital business card. You can experiment with it and you can have a very beautiful digital business card or any kind of photo, or you can even upload your own photos in the upload section if you have any specific photo. I'll also change the company name here. Then if you want to change any kind of colors or anything, feel free to experiment and be creative with everything. You can even add the link on the elements. That is, I selected the logo and then you could see the link there, so you could even do that. Or you can even change the colors from the style section. So there are pre-made templates that you can use for colors and fonts, etc. So, or you can take your custom colors or fonts as well. So once you go in the template sections, you can see a lot of templates, and sometimes what happens is you like the design but you don't like the colors. So you can take colors from other templates as well. I'll just show you how you can do that. See, now here this template has a style guide already, so you can just click on it and then you can see that the styling has changed completely. I don't specifically like that, so I'll do Control Z and do the old style only. So you see there are so many templates here and you can choose from like whatever you want. You can even make like a 2-page card which will be exported as a PDF again. So this will be like a 2-page card. So the front section will have this part where only your company name will be there. You can even change the images. That will be super easy for you. So just search something like, if you are in a freelancing section, search for laptops. Like, try to make it as professional as possible, uh, relating it to the company and the niche that they are in. So now you can go to fiverr.com and see that so many people are selling this kind of services. Almost 6,000 people are selling this service of digital business card, and honestly you do not even need so many of You do not need any extra skills. So now if you see, his basic package is 1192, which is 1192 rupees. And almost, if you see that people who have bought their services, 166 reviews. So even like 166 into 1192 will be like 1,97,000. So you can see, you can easily make a business out of this. And these are only the people who have given reviews. There will be many more orders than you think. So you see, you can even take inspiration from them, and see experiment of how they are making a digital business card. Try to explore around this website and see what kind of services people are selling, and this can be a profitable business.